Hi guys, going to do another one. $200-in-1 electronic project kit. Did number 18 last night. Going to do number 19 tonight. And number 19 is the one that my grandson did the other day. And he did it straight through with no problems. So I'll have to see if I can do it as well as him. Right, this one's called Catch the 8. And we end up lighting up the number display on the front here. Yeah, we have to try and make it show an 8. It flashes the top of the 8, the bottom of the 8, and we have to press the button to catch the 8 complete, I think. Anyway, let's get on with it. I spent a lot of time waffling last night when I did that one. I just thought it might be interesting if I talked rather than you just sort of listening to me saying connect number 15 to number 17. The only thing is I made a mistake, and I think it was because I was chatting rather than paying attention. 17 to 114. Well, as soon as I stood up, I spotted what the problem was. I changed the batteries in it, and I didn't put them in the right way round. That's why it's not working. There's our flashing LEDs. How silly. That's because we'd left it switched on and flattened the batteries. So I had to replace them. So, that's our flashing 8. And what I have to try and do if you think you can anticipate this moment when there's no display, slide the select switch to B. If you do it at exactly the right time, the 8 will be captured. I see, so we've got half an 8 there. Bottom half of an 8. Bottom half of an 8. There we go. Caught the 8. Well, there we go. I'm just looking here. I thought this was the one my grandson did. But he may have done the next one. I'll have to watch the video that I took of him doing it. Because I'm sure on the one he did, he had to press that switch. Yeah, he must have done number 20. I thought he did number 19. Oh well, that was it. You had to time it so you got the 8 flashing. Normally it's going top, bottom, top, bottom, top, bottom. I did it again. Yeah, so that's just the top. That's what we're trying to do. Right, job done. I had made a wiring mistake, but I'd also got the batteries wrong. Can't get much more basic than that, can you? Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.